We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned the way is because we mentioned we get this flat as a running flat, and we mentioned mostly technically we can expect the price to break the previous low, because in that way this move can be complete, and exactly this is what we get. Okay, and even we put this line, we mentioned of the possibility of the price break this one, the price break and reverse. Now we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal, or it's still we can expect this one to turn to deeper move, and we can expect the price to break and move a bit deeper. This is the only things we can mention. All right, by the way, as what we were expected, we get the running flat, and we get the last move with the breakout of this. How deep it can be, we cannot confirm, but right now we want to see whether we can look for the reversal. Okay, because in our analysis in my last video mentioned, as long as the price haven't broke this low, we could have entry above this. Now we can move it to here. That means if the price continue from here as a sharp move, one of the options to look for trade having entry above the stop. And what we expecting? We expecting for the sharp move. We want the price break and continue the price tag. We see is not moving. We don't stay with the trade. The next option, if we see the continuation with the flag, to look for buy. Okay. Right now, this is what we have been looking for. And how about if I put this one in relative to this? First of all, we see the divergence, and here also we have a divergence. And how about if we put this one, this move, the low in relative to this? If we see the divergence, and as well here. Okay, now the things, any reversal from now we will take it. Now we're looking for the reversal. Okay, the only thing is we're looking for the reversal, but after the breakout of this top or any of this, we should start to manage. It depends whether the trade we get from here or from here. Okay, because of the possibility we get the one move up, because if we get the reversal as a corrective move, we can look for this two in relative to each other. That means this correction can turn to a more complex correction before we get the next move. Okay, by the way, we don't care about that. Any reversal for buy, we'll take it and we start to manage. Right now we're looking for the reversal, but it doesn't mean the price can continue from here. Maybe we get the buy setup as a short term. That's why we need to know how to manage it. As I mentioned, maybe this one turn to a more complex correction. Anyway, we move to daily chart. As you can see the price tag, this line, and now we want to see whether we can look for reversal. But rather than that, we don't have anything to discuss based on daily chart. And if I move to forward chart, similar to what we explain in 1 hour chart, we're looking for reversal for buy. And first of all, how about if I put this one in relative to this based on forward chart? MACD doesn't show us anything, but here also we can look for the divergence, this one in relative to here. Now we don't have a divergence. Okay, I think, let me confirm again. If I remove everything, if we put this one relative to this, we cannot confirm for the divergence. All right, better we just let it go, because based on 1 hour chart already we have a divergence. And right now what we're looking for, the reversal, as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart. Now the question is, if we get the reversal, whether this is the start of the up move, or we can get any one move up similar to what we get here, turn to flat for one more drop. We need to be aware of this move. Okay, I don't mean we're going to get this one, but we need to be aware of this. That means if we get any reversal, either from here or even the price drop a bit more. Okay, what we're looking for, continuation with the breakout of the stop. But if we get a reversal, it turns to a corrective move. Maybe we get one move up similar to this. Maybe we can look for this flat. That means this correction become more complex. Okay, anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. And based on 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, how we can look for trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.